Hey guys, how to enable Siri on iPhone. So first of all, navigate to the settings, right? Scroll all the way down to find Siri, press, okay? Then toggle on listen for, okay? So go ahead right here to the language. Make sure you select your language, right? Scroll a bit down, you're gonna find, of course, messaging talk to Siri, right? And then just turn it on to Siri and ask her about the weather, right? That way you're gonna be able to turn on Siri right away. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.